Kumar, Business Manager, CAD Center, Dwarka. CAD Center is celebrating Silver Jubilee year 2012. So, give a clap for So, on this occasion of Silver Jubilee, it's a good starting of this year. For some reason, today is the new year, right? So, CAD Center is now #1 CAD company in Asia, started in 1988. And we are the pioneer in AutoCAD training in India. Slowly we spread our wings and we covers each and every engineering stream: civil, mechanical, architectural, electricals, electronics. We are the only authorized training partner of PRIMAVERA. So in the project management also you can say now we are the leader. Civil has already said, Bentley, whatever the streams we have, proudly, you can be treated as that we are the directly authorized from the parent company. So whatever software you learn, and that's why CAD Center name is there. It's because the parent company, they authorized us to be the training partner. We are not the only software seller, but we are the training partner. So that's the value, and all the softwares, the training duration is so big, so intensive. So there is every time there is enough scope for a corporate also to get update from us. Because of that, we are direct in touch with all the corporate clients, and because of that, we are today organizing this job fair. Very simple. This job fair, neither we are charging nothing from the student side nor from corporate side. It's because of our association with the corporate. In terms of providing the various trainings regularly this corporate takes, either it is a Jindal, they have taken training in their four major locations since 3 years, and we have trained till date more than 500 candidates. I can show you the original appreciation letter from Jindal. Similarly for other corporate, either it's a defense, either it's a Punjloy. So all you can say, and there's a list. This list is very much more. So today, as I said, today I will introduce you with my back-end team, those who are providing you this an opportunity for job fair. So there is an in-house team, they are supporting, they are facilitating, they are in touch with the corporate. We have one exclusive corporate team, those who takes care of meeting with the clients, corporate trainings. So they in touch with the corporate and able to get an opportunity to interact and provide an opportunity for you in terms of job fair. And besides our technical team, one technical team, one leader is looking for the in-house, another is for corporate. So we have a separate team for corporate and an in-house. We will introduce you. Okay. Let's have some scenario. What is happening? What is happening in industries? Understanding the present scenario of supply chain demand. Right. So you can see this. Colleges. There are lots of colleges, engineering colleges. I mean to say engineering colleges. Students are coming out from engineering college. Next flow is the companies. College producing the students, the factory student is there, and the companies. Now let's see what is the imbalance. Student versus company ratio. You can see the student number is so large that it can't be accommodated. I can't accommodate the student to company ratio. This is just an hit. See, the ratio is too large. Everybody agree? The ratio is too large. Here also you see, as I said, there is approximately vacancies of around 170, 180. And we are expecting today students around 500 to 600. Okay, so here we manage. We manage, you are sending your resume, to some we are replying, and based on, and we have not, this time we have not marketed, so means we are not split. We have targeted some colleges. Hope most of you are from colleges, from respective colleges, and our student. I'd like you everybody put your mobile in the vibration mode. So there is an imbalance. The facts of supply side. Now why this imbalance? The facts of supply side is that see the engineering seats available in Delhi itself. Okay, I am talking about Delhi itself. Under IP universities, there are 18 engineering colleges government and private, self-finance. So the number of seats under these colleges is 6,670. Delhi Technologies, formerly DCE, 775 seats, NSIT 434 seats, NIT Delhi 45, Jamia 700 seats. So altogether 7,500 engineering seats in Delhi. But this number is not exact. This is still less. Still less. Why? Because now so many colleges are coming. In Farooq Nagar, in Sonipat, you will see they are in the third year. They have still not, no batch pass outs. So that figure, the facts, it's not included in this list. So if you will calculate that, and besides that, the accumulation pass out, not got selected, so he will also come. So the accumulation keeps on piling. So this 7,500 is less. Hope all you will agree there is almost 10,000. Right? Okay. Let's see the demand side. The list of companies in engineering, 477. 477, if you will search this, engineering industries for city Delhi NCR through fundudata.com. 477 and seats is 10,000, 7,500. Let's go with that fact. So ratio, as I said, the companies versus student ratio is too big to accommodate it in our slides. Right? So the demand facts, you already knows this, but now there is an opportunity and to think wider, open your mind and see the bigger picture, is that we are restricted to our zone only, right? We are restricted to our zone. Most everybody prefer to work in only around NCR region, attached with their family. But there is one opportunity, one way that you can go abroad it also. In India is the world's second populous country in the world. The demographic wise, we are number one. Demographic in the sense, this student ratio, this level means the 18 to 25 years, 30 years. This number is the highest. And other countries, they are like Japan. You will see there the demographic is in the above zone. Means you will find there 40, 50s, 35s. Right? So this is the one point which you can pinpoint that and you can gain that, you can optimize that situation. Other countries you won't find this. So everybody is looking for a fresher, a youth, energetic, passionate guys like you. So that's why you will find today we have, name is not here, but for international also there is a vacancy. For international Gulf jobs, one Kevin is there, he will take for Gulf. So those who are having the valid passport, you are lucky, and provided that you must have some software knowledge. And I hope as my interaction in these days, I come to know, yes, some students they prefer to work abroad also, no problem, because it's a good opportunity. The salary package, everything is very high, right? So this is the one good news for you, that one international client is here. He will take the interview, and different companies, not only for one company, for different companies. And what he asked me that the person should be having a valid passport and visa and other formalities. They will take care. Everything they take care. Your tickets and everything they take care. Provided you must have some software knowledge. On AutoCAD is the common, right? So this is the pointing figure that you can also try. One opportunity is here. Others also you will get. If you will try, you can see. So this is that to match the supply and demand, you can do like that. So the solution is what? See the engineering BTech diploma. This is the bottom. Bottom line is too big, flat. You have to enhance your skill. And there are two ways. Skilled also and experience also. But there is a one fact that even if you are a fresher and you are having a good knowledge, having a good command over the software, so you are equivalent to skilled. Right? If you will go and search in the Naukri, the moment you will put we take freshers, only 26 jobs will come for your stream. As I am going through that Naukri, you can check that. But the moment you will put that AutoCAD, the number will double and 4 times. The moment you will put Drawing and CATIA, the number will come 150 straight away. Right? Then there is other factor also, the salary. Okay, what is the average salary? Average salary with the top companies, either Punjab everywhere. Average salary for a freshers, it's around 15 to 25k. Clear? 15 to 25k. Okay, 5 years experience or CATIA employee, salary will be double, triple. But the moment you will see and you put the word Ansys, Nastran, Hypermesh, right? The moment you will put that software also and some 3-4 years experience, 3 years experience, the package will be 10 lakhs. This is for your awareness. You all guys, every day you surf, you sit in the system, internet, but try to explore these facts also. One fact, the software wise, what I am talking right now is skill and experience. So always compare with the skill part and the experience part. The skill, try to put the software number high and experience low, you will see the jobs are more, or else any skill and more experience, so obviously it's high. But how to counterbalance? What I am trying to explain, that how to counterbalance that and overcome the experience factor. Most of you might be freshers, so that's the biggest challenge you are facing right now. So to overcome that deficiency, the only way is through enhance your skill, multiple software knowledge. Then you can yourself sit in the system, only 15-20 minutes it will take, you will see the results. Another big point, nobody is doing that, everybody is aware of this, is about some software. Some software with some experience. It fetch you your dream expectation, which even you are not thinking right now. That salary, that expectation, which your parents, everybody is expect from you to get a, such a high box, and the demand is, last time I am giving you one fact, why I put this Ansys word. Last time there is 8 requirement, 8 to 4 o'clock there is a 8 requirement from Ansys, and only 3 students turned up. 8 position is there for Ansys, only 3 students turned up. So don't you think that instead of blaming to the the situation that the jobs are less, the vacancy is less, instead you go and search and interact with your seniors, with your professors, your well-wishers, those who are in the industries, so there you can see, this is the fact. Anybody present in the last year job fair? You were there? No, that's the mean. I'm talking about December. Anybody? Okay, and the very good news for you today, hope morning you all are very busy, you might have not seen the newspaper, that industries in our segment, manufacturing, for which you people are here, is now from negative to positive, 6.5% growth. So always take care of the economic factor. That will give you a hint where to go and now where to search. Tax and with Autodesk, Siemens, Dassault, PTC, Cadence, Bentley, PRIMAVERA. Hope you all are aware of this. The software. So training programs, CPROE, PTC, Solidworks, basic schematics for electricals, OrCAD, electronics, STAAD Pro, CATI, it is civil software, Ansys, what I was talking right now, AutoCAD, architectural, REVIT, AutoCAD, popular software, civil 3D for civil, PRIMAVERA, project management tools, this is 3ds Max, and this is Microsoft Project. Why I was trying to explain you all this software and why we have you will see that which is the topmost software comes in the market. Not in India as well, in abroad, because all these softwares, they all corporate head office headquarters is in US. We directly tie up with them. Like Nastrum. Nobody teaches Nastrum. Nastrum is the software which even you will not find any training, nothing in even ITs also. But CAD Center is the only one teaching Nastrum as well. Right? So which is the latest software, much in demand in the market, that we, because we have a good association with all the bigger clients, corporates sitting in US, abroad, we are in touch with them, and they prefer CAD Center because of our wide reach in the market, corporate and the student. So with that, now I like to introduce with my in-house team. Software you all have seen. Let's aware about the course combination, because most of the times people only talk about the software. I want to learn AutoCAD. But try to understand, because CAD Center has a good association with all the corporate, they understand the need of the multiple software. They understand the need of a multiple software, and because of multiple software, if there is a vacancy, let's say Volvo, for PROE and CATIA, person learning CATIA, you won't get shortlisted for that company, na? Because clearly you can see the requirement, the paper, time session paper, Naukri, that he is asking for two software. So, and people is only aware that okay, I should learn CAD, because even in the recession time also, or during the time of recruitment also, they will always recognize if you have more software, and this corporate also, they also understand. They only, they don't see only the software name. Even they are aware about our courses, master diploma courses. So this thing my in-house team will explain in a very brief, what is the courses. Courses are very important. Try to understand companies, every company is aware about CAD Center, that's why we are organizing this. So they also understand the importance of our courses, and they recognize that. They understand if it is a master diploma, then it means PROE, CATIA, Solidworks, so many software. That's the advantage. Otherwise, everybody is only conscious of what? The software. They will only ask every call, every time they will ask for what? Software. I want to learn this software, I want to learn this software. In my entire, this tenure in CAD Center, I never heard anybody asking that, sir, I want to learn master diploma. Everybody will ask for a CATIA, PROE, some Solidworks, PRIMAVERA, software name only. See, in this course, software is there. But the course has importance in industries as well. This they will highlight. So over to Ms. Prasita, in-house team leader. They will explain you about, what is the in-house support as well. It's not only the courses, but support, and how she will facilitate you after even this job fair as well.
Good morning to all of you. A warm welcome to Job Fair 2012. And myself Prasita. And you all know that CAD Center. We are from last 23 years. We are training lots of corporates and students, and we will get a good platform from CAD Center to your career growth and all. Okay. So CAD Center Dwarka. We started 2007 in Dwarka, but otherwise we were in another location. This is just a shift from other location. And I have been associated with CAD Center from 2007 onwards. And from there you can see the students, number of students and all is getting increased because of the quality training. We offer courses on mechanical, civil, architecture, project planning, management. You can see from the student level to higher management level, we are teaching, we are training students and corporates. And our business associates, you can see, for all the softwares, whatever we teach, we have association with them. So what benefit you will get is, if somebody wants a job, the software company itself will suggest you that you can select CAD Center students to work on such software. So that is the benefit what you get from CAD Center. And we have different kinds of packages like PG Diploma, Master Diploma, Professional and Diploma. These all packages packages are different, like PG Diploma, it's a full-fledged course and you will get a good duration to complete. As you enroll in BTech or BE, then you can enroll for a PG Diploma. Till the end of your BTech, you will be equipped with all softwares which are useful in industry. And this is the graph about our student trained from 2008 onwards. You can see a good increase in our number of students. This is only because of the quality training and the service what we are providing to the students and corporates. And then we have a good number of companies where we placed our students. You can see the market leaders like Maruti, GMR, L&T, Samtel, and these are the companies where we placed our students. This is regular placement going on other than this job fair. Then regarding our infrastructure, we have 3 labs, well-equipped labs with latest configured systems. Our systems, so many of you know that we have good systems in good working conditions. And theory rooms we can see large monitors, LCD projectors and all. And even in whiteboard also we used to give everything, the application of the softwares and all we used to give. And you can see a glance of our lab. And then specialized team. We have the specialized team. Whatever service we are delivering, you can see this is only, the software is always good, but it depends on the person who handles the software. So we have experienced trainers for each software. Experience in the sense you can say for instructorial experience and also in industry experience. It's only because of the corporate training what we are providing. Our instructors are providing. So these corporates who are working from, you can say from 1 year to 32 years or 35 years, experienced people, they are getting trained from our faculties. So they share their experience with them, and our instructors used to teach them software. So they get both experience, professional experience, industry experience, and also the teaching experience. Then we used to provide in-depth knowledge. We can say in theory classroom and all, you will get all the tools written and the application, the domain examples and all will be explained. And even our faculties are certified instructors. That means there are a criteria. There is a criteria.